are you a corn lover? Well, if you are a corn lover, well, you need to try this one. This is my take on Jamaican boiled corn. Yes, this is spicy and full of flavor. So here we're just going to husk our corn and remove the ears, and then we can rinse these and cut and put to boil. But first thing, welcome to all my returning supporters. I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official member of the family. So do continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you in another upload.